Hi there, I'm Dan Strong, and I'd like to welcome you and thank you for taking the Ultimate Excel Programmer course on Udemy. In this course, what we're going to do, our goal is to get you very comfortable with using Excel VBA, that's Visual Basic, and we're going to take you from start to finish in your journey of learning the Excel VBA. Now, if you're a basic user of Excel all the way to an advanced user of Excel, there's always more things that you can learn how to automate and customize using VBA. So Excel runs using macros in the background. What we're going to learn how to do is manipulate them. So we're going to learn all about the range object, such as A1, the cells object. We're going to dig into variables, toolbars, menus, all kinds of customization that you can do. We're going to learn about how to use lots of tips and tricks. We're going to learn more about advanced Excel logic, and we're going to go through loops such as looping through from start to finish of a data range. So we're going to learn all kinds of wonderful Excel automation tricks and how to basically automate your workflow. That's the whole goal, is to write programs in Excel, not just a bunch of formulas. So without further ado, we're going to dive into some examples in this first lecture. But first off, before we do, I want to say that this lecture number 1, all you have to do if you want to download all of the workbooks that we're going to be using is within this lecture you're going to click on the downloads button, and you'll be able to download a zip file that contains all the workbooks you're going to need for this course. So you can actually go ahead. I would encourage you, if you want to, you can go ahead and open up that zip file, of course extract them, and you can look through the workbooks, but definitely follow along as that lecture or chapter comes along. I wouldn't dive too deep in there unless you just feel like clicking around. But those are yours to keep, and we'll be going through all that content very soon. But before we dive in, I'm going to go ahead and show you a little montage of some of the things that we're going to be going over. So please enjoy the rest of this. If you've already seen it, feel free to mark this lecture as completed, and I'll see you in the forums. Thank you. God bless.